Gilgamesh was the very best, the king that ruled ego in his chest. The gods that saw him knew he left his heart of gold away from theft. Enkidu, the king of the wild, was seduced and lured, sent off to trial to fight Gilgamesh for the title. And on the ground they rolled around and fought and starved all of the sound. A tie was made to mark the day that nobody had won that day. I believe it's you, my Enkidu, my other half, your other you. We fight together because it's better. If you get cold, please can you wear my sweater? One day a goddess Ishtar came, expected wealth and status and fame. She said she wanted Gilgamesh's last name, but then he replied that she's insane. Sorry baby, but your love is war. I can't do girls like you anymore. You don't want me and I'm not yours. Ishtar came in a ho, she yelled. She sent the bull of heaven or hell. It was running and speeding until they killed the bull themselves. Hey, oh wow. Ishtar and the gods got mad. They killed Enkidu for the jealousy they had. Why would the gods need that? He got sad, and he had wrath. He had wrath. He walked the world 7 days later. Tears on his face, blood on his sweater. Found a myth in his life that it would get better if he lived on forever. He finally found Utnapishtim to tell him how a friend had lost him. He wanted Enkidu back to forgive him. But the flower of eternal life had been plucked away, and all that was left was mortality to say. Gilgamesh was the very best, the king that ruled love in his chest. The gods that saw him knew he wept his heart of gold away.